Hey there, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the place where your home gets its best glow up. I am so glad you're here today, because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite design worlds, a full summer farmhouse home inspired by the one and only Leanne Ford. If you love spaces that feel calm, collected, and effortlessly beautiful, you are in the right place. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling me your favorite summer color palette. Let's begin this gorgeous journey together. The first thing Leanne Ford teaches us is that first impressions should feel like a quiet exhale. For a summer farmhouse exterior, think white or warm cream board and batten siding paired with black iron hardware on the front door. Add a raw wood wraparound porch with simple turned columns. Window boxes overflowing with white petunias and trailing greenery bring that seasonal softness. Swap your door wreath for a simple eucalyptus bundle tied with jute twine, effortless and organic. Keep shutters in a muted sage or grayish tone. The goal is a facade that looks lived in, loved, and perfectly at ease under the summer sun. Step inside and let your entryway do the heavy lifting in style. Leanne Ford believes in function dressed in beauty, so here, a shiplap-backed wall organizer holds coat hooks in matte black for hanging linen blazers, straw hats, and woven totes, all very summer-ready. Below that, a slim white painted wooden cabinet with wrought tan drawer fronts keeps shoes tucked neatly away. A rush seat wooden bench offers a spot to slip on sandals. Frame the space with a large arched mirror in an aged gold or raw wood trim. Finish with a jute flat weave mat at the door and a single ceramic vase with dried pampas grass on the console. Simple, intentional, beautiful. Leanne Ford's living rooms have this incredible ability to feel full and empty at the same time. That is the magic of soft minimalism. For summer, start with a linen sofa in oat or warm white. Layer a hand-knotted wool rug in natural tones underneath. Introduce summer through texture, a chunky cotton throw draped over the arm, linen pillow covers in faded cream and dusty sage. A raw wood coffee table with visible grain is the anchor piece. Keep walls white, pure white. A single framed botanical print or a vintage oil painting adds personality. Add a large wicker basket to hold rolled blankets. Edit ruthlessly. Let the room breathe. In farmhouse dining, the table is the heart, and in summer it becomes a celebration of abundance and ease. Choose a long, solid wood dining table, ideally reclaimed oak with natural knots and grain showing proudly. Layer a linen table runner in bleached white down the center. For a summer tablescape, cluster 3 varying height cream candles in iron holders with sprigs of fresh lavender and eucalyptus. Use ceramic dinnerware in off-white with an organic edge, no two pieces perfectly matching. Wrought tan-backed dining chairs mix beautifully with a simple wood bench on one side. Hang a large statement pendant light, woven wrought tan or aged iron, above the table as your overhead focal piece. A Leanne Ford-inspired kitchen is calm, creamy, and completely functional. Paint your cabinets in a warm white or soft grayish. Think Benjamin Moore's white dove or Chantilly lace. Keep upper cabinets open where possible, styled with ironstone pitchers, linen-wrapped cookbooks, and a potted herb. Your refrigerator should be panel-ready or a clean matte stainless to disappear into the design. Choose a farmhouse apron front sink in white cast iron beneath a simple gooseneck faucet. For the stove, a cream-colored range or a matte black industrial-style unit adds beautiful contrast. On the counter, a small round coffee machine in black or cream sits beside a wooden tray holding mugs, practical and perfectly styled. The family room is where softness meets everyday life, and Leanne Ford handles it brilliantly. Mount your flat-screen TV on a white shiplap wall. No entertainment center needed. Just the screen as a quiet rectangle against texture. Below, a low wooden media console in natural oak keeps the look grounded. Build in coziness with a deep, oversized sectional sofa in warm linen or boucle fabric. Layer the floor with a large natural fiber rug. Seagrass or jute works beautifully for summer. A rattan floor lamp with a linen shade adds warm ambient light. Stack weathered books on the coffee table. Add a ceramic bowl with collected stones, and let this room feel like the family actually lives and loves here. One of the most inspired moves in a modern farmhouse home is carving out a multifunctional corner that serves your mind as much as your soul. Choose a small, characterful wooden desk, something with a slightly antique look, raw edges, or hairpin legs in matte black. On the desktop, place a petite vintage-style desk clock, round face, brass casing, as your tiny time anchor. Beside it, a small cream-colored radio adds charm and fills the space with morning music. Style a slim floating shelf above with a few curated books and a trailing potted plant. Around the corner, build your reading nook with a linen wingback chair, a simple side table, and a tall iron floor lamp. This space should whisper, "Slow down." And here it is, the centerpiece of our video. A Summer Farmhouse Bedroom by Leanne Ford is perhaps the most purely beautiful space you will ever create. Start with an all-white linen bedding approach. Crisp white duvet, white Euro shams, white coverlet. The magic is in the texture, waffle weave, washed linen, and cotton knit all layered together. Choose a headboard in raw wood, live edge or simple plank style, or go upholstered in natural linen. Keep nightstands simple. A raw oak side table with a small ceramic lamp, a glass of water, and a single fresh stem. White walls, white ceiling, white trim. Let the summer light do the decorating. Add sheer linen curtains that billow gently in the breeze. Pure serenity. In Leanne Ford's world, accessories are never random. Each one earns its place. On your bedroom dresser, arrange a simple wooden tray holding a small candle in a glass vessel, a sprig of dried lavender, and a worn leather journal. Hang a single piece of abstract art above the bed, soft brush strokes in cream, warm white, or barely there sage. On the floor beside the bed, a wicker basket holds an extra quilt. A vintage wooden stool doubles as a surface for your morning coffee cup. Choose hardware in unlacquered brass or matte black for all your drawer pulls and door handles, small choices that speak volumes. Remember, in soft minimalism, less is always, always more. A summer farmhouse bathroom should feel like stepping into calm. For the shower, choose large format white subway tiles or soft warm travertine in a simple brick lay pattern. Install a matte black rain shower head overhead and a simple handheld wand beside it. Use an open wood shelf inside the shower niche for glass bottles of natural soap and shampoo, beautiful and accessible. At the Wastafel or vanity sink, opt for a vessel sink in white ceramic atop a wood vanity in natural walnut or painted greige. Mount a large round mirror with a simple iron or wood frame above. Fold white linen hand towels over a matte black towel bar. A small ceramic pot of rosemary or eucalyptus on the vanity ties in that summer botanical freshness. Here is a pro tip that will completely change your farmhouse bathroom. Pay attention to grout color. White grout gives a clean, bright look, while warm grayish grout gives depth and that aged, lived-in farmhouse feel Leanne Ford loves. Swap plastic dispensers for glass apothecary jars, labeled in simple black script. Roll your washcloths and stack them in a wicker basket on the floor beside the vanity. It is both functional and beautifully textured. Choose a woven bath mat in natural cotton over a synthetic option. Invest in a simple wooden ladder shelf to display folded towels and a few trailing potted plants. Light a single unscented candle during evening routines. These are the rituals that make a bathroom feel like a sanctuary. The farmhouse garage is often overlooked, but Leanne Ford's philosophy of intentional living extends even here. Start by painting the walls a clean warm white and installing black iron wall-mounted hooks and pegboards for tools, bikes, and garden gear. A long wooden workbench along one wall gives you a practical surface with real character. Store items in galvanized metal bins labeled with simple black and white tags. Add an old wooden cabinet with glass front doors for smaller items. Install Edison bulb pendant lighting along the ceiling for warm ambient glow. Yes, even in the garage. A slate gray or charcoal floor stain gives a clean, polished base. Stack terracotta pots by the door for summer gardening readiness. Make it a space that feels cared for. The patio is where your farmhouse summer truly comes alive. Think of it as an outdoor living room, with all the warmth and intention of the inside brought out under the open sky. Choose teak or acacia wood furniture in natural finish with thick linen outdoor cushions in cream or soft stripe. Hang string lights in a warm amber tone overhead for evening magic. A large terracotta planter with a sprawling olive tree anchors one corner. Build a simple outdoor dining table from raw wood planks and pair it with mismatched wooden chairs for that effortless farmhouse charm. Add a woven outdoor rug to define the space. A metal lantern with a pillar candle creates an inviting glow. This patio should make you never want to go back inside. If you are feeling inspired and ready to transform your home, here is your simple 5-step roadmap to the Leanne Ford summer farmhouse look. Step 1. Strip back. Remove anything that does not feel calm or necessary. Step 2. Go neutral. Choose your base palette: white, cream, warm grayish, and natural wood tones. Step 3. Add texture over color. In summer, reach for linen, rattan, jute, and boucle instead of bright hues. Step 4. Invest in one signature piece per room: a raw wood dining table, an arched mirror, a live-edge headboard. Step 5. Style with nature. Fresh stems, dried botanicals, potted herbs, and collected stones bring organic life to every corner without spending a fortune. Leanne Ford is one of the most distinctive voices in American interior design today, and understanding her philosophy helps you apply it more authentically. She believes in the beauty of imperfection: raw wood, worn textures, layered whites, and spaces that look like they have a story. Her signature is what designers call tonal layering, which means building a room in shades of the same color rather than introducing contrast. She favors plaster walls, linen upholstery, organic shapes, and natural materials. For summer, her approach feels particularly alive. The light pours into white rooms, the breezes move through sheer curtains, and every room feels like a long, unhurried exhale. Study her work. Let it slow you down. Then make it your own. Great news! The Leanne Ford aesthetic is one of the most achievable looks, even on a modest budget. The key is shopping vintage and secondhand first. Estate sales, thrift stores, and marketplace apps are goldmines for raw wood furniture, ceramic vessels, and iron hardware. Paint is your most powerful and affordable tool. A coat of warm white transforms any room. Swap out throw pillow covers seasonally instead of buying new sofas. Choose linen from affordable sources and wash it several times before use to get that perfectly soft, worn-in look. Make your own dried botanical arrangements from your garden or a farmer's market visit. A farmhouse home does not require a designer budget. It requires a thoughtful eye and a patient hand. One of the beautiful things about a Leanne Ford-inspired farmhouse is how gracefully it transitions through the seasons. Because the base is always neutral: white walls, natural wood, linen upholstery, you only need to swap a few layers to shift the mood. As summer fades, swap your light linen throws for a heavier waffle knit blanket in caramel or warm oatmeal. Replace fresh summer stems with dried wheat, cotton stems, and autumnal branches. Bring in a woven wool rug in deeper warm tones over your jute. Swap sheer curtains for linen drapes with more weight. Add a few amber or terracotta candles throughout the home. The bones stay the same, only the seasonal layer changes. This is the joy of investing in a timeless base design. Even the most inspired decorators can fall into a few farmhouse traps, so let us talk about what to avoid. First, resist the urge to over-rusticify. Not everything needs to be burlap and barnwood. Leanne Ford's farmhouse is refined, not kitschy. Second, do not mix too many shades of white. Choose one warm white and commit to it throughout. Third, avoid cluttering open shelves with too many objects. In soft minimalism, negative space is a design element. Fourth, skip the generic farmhouse signs with words on them. Let the design speak without typography. Fifth, do not forget lighting. Swap overhead fluorescent lights for warm-toned bulbs and layer in floor and table lamps for evening ambience. These small corrections make an enormous difference. We have walked through every single room of this soft, sun-filled summer farmhouse together, and I hope you are leaving this video feeling genuinely inspired and ready to bring some of that Leanne Ford magic into your own home. Remember, this style is not about perfection. It is about intention, ease, and creating spaces that feel like a deep breath. Start with one room, one corner, even one chair and a throw pillow. Small changes add up to something extraordinary. If you loved this video, please give it a like and share it with a friend who is dreaming of a beautiful summer home. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas so you never miss our next design journey, and drop a comment below telling me which room you are starting with first. I will see you in the next one, friend.